Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I posted here on the cooking channel, but today I wanted to share with you a really delicious pumpkin spice muffin recipe. I have been making this recipe for several years now, and they are absolutely delicious. I also want to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by DIY from House to Home, and I will have the playlist, her channel, as well as the recipe linked all in the description box for you to check out. So don't forget to watch the playlist once you are finished watching my video for even more fall dessert inspirations. So without further ado, let's get baking. So for the filling, for the cupcake, not the filling, you will need flour, nutmeg, cinnamon, and ginger, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, some brown sugar, white sugar, pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, milk, and some vanilla. I will have the link to a recipe in my description box. So let's get started. I had preheated the oven to 350, and I also lined some of my muffin pans because I can't find my other ones, so I had buttered or oiled the other ones and then put the cup holders, the liners for some of them. So I'm using the Pampered Chef Stone muffin pan. I always use this, and like I said, I preheat the oven to 350. So first thing I'm gonna do is mix all my dry ingredients. So I'm going to add cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, and baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then the next step is going to be in the mixer. I'm going to add my oil, my eggs, my sugar, white and brown, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Attach my flour protection thing. So first I'm gonna put my pumpkin puree. So now I'm going to alternate milk and flour. There, this is done. And now I'm going to scoop it out. I'm using the Pampered Chef scoop. Okay, now they're gonna go in the oven, and while they're baking, and they need to bake about 20 minutes, so I'm going to make the frosting. So for the cream cheese frosting, you need cream cheese, some melted butter, cinnamon, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. So I'm going to put all this in and beat it. mentioned that you also need a couple teaspoons of cream. Actually, 1 to 2 tablespoons. The frosting is done. I just have to wait for the cupcakes to finish, cool off, and then I'm gonna frost them. Here they are all finished. I think they look so cute and they taste delicious. Don't forget to check out the playlist as well as the hostess channel, and the link to the recipe will be in the description box, as well as links to all my other channels. So if you're not subscribed and stopping by for the first time, I would love it if you became part of my cooking and baking community here on YouTube. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.